Now, today we start our chapter number 3.2, which is we have already done some of the questions. Now, today we start the question number 13. I think it is very important questions and you are curious to see these questions. Let us start these questions. Now, question number 13 of exercise number 3.2. Now, in these questions, f(x) you have given f(x) is equal to your cos x minus sin x 0 sin x cos x 0 then 0 0 1. Now, in this question you have given the your f(x) and what in question is saying, it tells that then you have to show, then you have to show f(x) into f of y is equal to f of x plus y. As per the questions, you have to prove that f(x) into f(y) is equal to f of x plus y. Since you have given this f(x) is here, so you transmit this x to y, so that your value will be f(y) will be, your value is cos of y minus of sin y 0, then sin y cos y 0, then 0 0 1. Now, this value is your f(y). Now, as per the questions of the left hand side, we will continue with the part of, so your f(x) into f of y is equal to cos of x minus sin of x 0 sin of x cos of x 0, then 0 0 1. This is your first part, which is of f(x), then f of y is your cos y minus of sin y 0, then sin y cos y 0 0 0 1. So, this is your f into x and f into y. Now, afterwards, as we have already given you the reference that you have to use here the R1 row with a C1 column. So, you multiplied R1 row with a C1 column. So, your value will become out your cos x into cos y and your minus sin x into sin y and your plus 0. So, this is your first value. You have to multiply this row with column. So, your value will become out like this, cos x into cos y minus sin x into sin y, then 0 into 0 is your 0. Now, use again, this is first row with second column. So, your value will become out minus of cos x into sin y, right. Now, minus sin x into your cos y and your 0 plus 0 is equal to your 0. So, your value will become out 0. Then your third value goes of cos x into your 0 then plus again minus sin x into 0 then again your 0 into 1 again 0. So, this is your third one, yani your value will be from R1 to C1 column. Then you use the second row, that is this one, and your first column your sin x into cos y, sin x into cos y plus cos x into sin y, then 0 into 0 is your 0, again value will become out 0. Now, the second value goes off sin x into minus sin with a sin x sin y, then your cos x into cos y, cos x into cos of y, then your third value goes off with a 0, and your last will be sin x into 0 plus cos x into 0 cos x into 0, and lastly your 0 into 1 is goes off your 0. Then your third one will be, you multiplied with third row with this one. So, your 0 into this 0, 0 into this 0, 1 into 0 will be 0. So, your last value goes off 0. Then third row will be again multiplied with this one, this goes 0, this goes 0, this is your 1 into 0, it also gives you 0. And in the last your value will be, you multiplied with 0 into 0, 0, then 0 into 0, 0, then 1 into 1 is your 1. So, you have to be only left with 1. So, you can write here, I will just omit this part so that you understand, and I will omit this part also. Let us, I will write down here f x into f y, f x into f y. So, your value will become out cos x into cos y minus sin x into sin y, this will be left here, cos x into cos of y minus sin x into sin of y, and you add 0, this gives you the same value. And here your value will be, if you can take minus sign common, so I will take minus sign common here. So, your value will be cos x into sin y plus sin x into cos y, and last value goes off because all are 0, so goes off 0. And then here your sin x into cos y plus cos x into sin y, adding 0, your value left with this same part. Now, here you have again, because cos x into cos y, you can write down first this cos x into cos y, first cos x into cos of y first, then minus sin x into sin of y. So, this value will be goes off, and addition of 0 gives you the same value, and here this goes off 0. because all multiplication with 0 goes 0. Now, here your value will be 0 and this is your 0 and this is your only 1. So, this left with your matrix, which is you have calculate f x into f of y. Now, afterwards this you would find, I will just omit this one so that you can more get the right truth what is left with. Here is your this portion left with cos x into cos y minus sin x into sin y, because you know here this according to formula of cos of x plus y is equal to your cos x into cos y minus sin x into sin of y. So, you write down here cos of x plus y as per the trigonometric formula, and here because you have already know that sin of x plus y is equal to sin x into cos y plus cos x into sin y. So, here you would write with minus sign the same formula sin of x sin of x plus y, and which is 0 afterwards, and here again sin of x plus y, and here is your again this is cos of x plus y as per the formula of first, because it is already here it is given that this is equal to this one. So, your value will be goes off 0 and here is your 0, 0 and 1. Now, if you can judge this one matrix, it will be the f of x plus y, and which is your right hand side. You have, if you can calculate the f of x plus y, your value will be f of x plus y is here minus sin of x plus y is 0, then sin of x plus y cos of x plus y is 0, and the 0, 0, 1 is the same as value of f of x plus y. Hence, it is proof. Hence, it is proof. So, this way this question is you have to done. So, easy questions, try to do and practice it. Now, we will go the next questions, which is little bit more important to this one, and in that questions what we get. Now, this question is of question number 13, which we have just given. Now, we have question number 17. I think so question number 17 is something like this. Question number 17. Now, in these questions you have given, if now you have to find the value of, now before question number 15 and 17 is similar type of questions. So, I think so I had done question number 17. So, question number 17 is, if your a is 3 minus 2 4 minus 2, you have given a is this and I is, you have 1 0 0 1, and you have given that a is your 3 minus 2 4 minus 2 and I is your 1 0 1. Then you have find the value of k, then you find value of k by equation which is a square is equal to k times of a minus of 2i. इस क्वेश्चन में बच्चों ये दिया है कि अगर सपोज आपको एक कोई मैट्रिक्स है 2 इंटू 2 ऑर्डर की, दैट इज़ 3 माइनस 2 4 माइनस 2, और आपको आइडेंटिटी मैट्रिक्स दे रखी है 1 0 एंड 0 1, दैट इज़ 2 इंटू 2 ऑर्डर द सेम वे, एंड यू हैव टू फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ के, यानी आपको के की वैल्यू निकालनी है, जिसमें कि आपको इक्वेशन दी है ए स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू के इंटू ए माइनस 2i. Now how to solve such kind of questions? For these type of questions you have to solve, let us do solution of this equation. Now we have to find a square first. So you have to find a square which is equal to k times of a and minus of 2i. Now first of all we goes from left hand side, this is your left hand side LHS. Now you first calculate a, so a square we calculate a into a, so we can write here a into a, which is a square, and you can write a will be your 3 minus 2 4 minus 2, and again you have to win a will be your the same way, your a will be 3 minus 2 4 minus 2. We will continue with the left hand side, so your value will be come out first row with first column, so it will be 9 and minus 8, right. So 9 minus 8, then first row with second column, so you are minus 6 and plus 4, first row with second column, so this is your answer. Then second row with first column, so it will be 12 and minus 8, and here second row with second column, so you are minus 8 and plus 4. So this is by multiplying a into a, your value will come out, this is your 1, this is your minus 2, this is your 4, and this is your minus 4. Because if you can solve this matrix, तो 9 में से 1 8 गया 1, माइनस 6 में से 4 के माइनस 2, एंड 12 में से 8 के 4, एंड माइनस 8 में से 4 के माइनस के 4. Now this is from left hand side your result. Now we go from the right hand side. Now right hand side we have RHS. What we see, your k times of a, so your value of a will be your 3 minus 2 4 minus 2. This is your a value, and 2 is your here, and identity matrix is 1 0 and 0 1. यानी यहाँ पर बच्चों आपको दे रखा है कि आपने बिल्कुल राइट हैंड साइड में वही मैट्रिक्स लेनी है, k इंटू ए एंड 2 इंटू आइडेंटिटी मैट्रिक्स. यहाँ पर आपकी वैल्यू आ जाएगी 3k माइनस 2k, बिकॉज k इज अ स्केलर, इट विल बी मल्टीप्लाइड इन साइड, यानी अंदर ये आपका इंटू हो जाएगा, तो माइनस दिस इज 4k एंड minus 2k. So this value goes inside, your value will be here, and now you have minus 2 0 and 0 2, because you also multiplied 2 inside. Now your equation become 3k minus 2, this is 3k minus 2, and this is minus 2k with minus 0, then 4k minus 0 and 4k minus 2, no, minus 2k, sorry, here is your last one is minus 2k minus 2. So, you can write like this after subtracting the second matrix to first one. So, your result will become out like this. So, now you know, as per the rule of the matrix, a left hand side is equal to right hand side, that elements of A11 of this is equal to A11 of this, then A12 is equal to A12 of this, and A21 is equal to A21, then again A22 is equal to A22. So, for only find out the value, you can choose any one of the equation of from this one. So, you can 3k minus 2 is equal to 1. I will choose this one, 3k minus 2 is equal to your 1. So, your 3k is equal to your 3 and k is equal to your 3 upon 3, which is equal to your 1. So, k is equal to your 1. So, if you can use second one, that also gives the same result. Let us suppose I will use the second equation. So, minus 2k is equal to minus 2. Here minus goes off. So, k is equal to 2 upon 2, which is k is equal to your 1. So, any of these you can solve and find the value of k. So, this way you can calculate the value of k, and so you understand that how you can find out the value of k, equating left hand side to right hand side. And this is question number your 17, and before these questions you have to try previous questions at your home, that is homework for you, which is I left for you. And now we will continue with the another questions. Let us see next question which on the blackboard.